Okay, time to square our blocks or cut them down to size. Our squares need to be 6 inches when they're finished, but we need to cut them at 6.5 inches. And I so happen to have a 6.5 inch square ruler. So I will mark put the 3.25 mark into the center of the fabric. The center I want to use. Cut here. Rotate my mat. Cut there. All the way around. Just make sure you hold your ruler as you cut. I save all my scraps that I don't throw them away. I put them inside a pillowcase and sew it up once it's full and donate it to the local animal shelter for a dog or cat bed. So that's one way. And I'll show you on a traditional cutting board. It doesn't matter, any number. Okay, this is how you can cut them with a smaller cutting mat that doesn't rotate. Just put my center line, pick a number, any number, and I count over from the center, 1, 2, 3.25. And 1, 2, 3.25 this way. Rotate it. 1, 2, 3.25. One, two, 3.25. So with it folded in half. Okay, we're going to fold our centerpiece in half, put the center mark on any number line, make sure it's lined up well, and we're going to count 13.25 inch from the center. And we'll cut. And we do the same thing for the other side. And the same for this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And a quarter. Okay, that's one direction cut. Now we're going to cut the other direction. So keeping it folded, you turn it, and you do the same thing from the point where the fold is, count 13.25 inches, and cut. And that's that.